Alright guys, so this platform right here is giving out a free 1K profile account, and I'll be showing you steps on how to go about it. So if you're just in this video, I don't want you to waste any time. Just go straight to the site, claim the bonus, and don't miss out on any step I'll be explaining, because offer like this are always for limited time, and I'm sure you don't want to miss out on this. Now you can see details like this on the screen. So having full details about this free profile, so you can see it. So the very first step you need to take is to click on the link I'll be adding to the comment section to give you fast access, and also the link will be in the description where you need to see more details about this profile. Now you can see immediately you come to the site, this is the first details you see on the screen. Now details about how to get the free 1K profile account. Now know this, have this in mind that you will need to verify before you can get this account. Now see the steps you need to take before you can actually place withdrawal from it. You see step 1, the challenge phase. You can see details about it. You see it has been cancelled. The actual price was $18, but it has been cancelled and it's now showing $0. And the profit target $100, the maximum daily loss, and the maximum total loss. Now see minimum trading day, which is 4 days from the day which you actually activate the bonus. Now you see the second step for evaluation phase, which is actually the fee is free. The profit target is $50. Maximum daily loss $50. Maximum total loss $100. And you can see the minimum trading day also is 4 days. Now see the third step, the fee fundable, it's also free. Maximum daily loss, which is $50, maximum total loss $100, and the total period, which is unlimited, which means you can just keep trading. And you see bi-weekly, this is reward cycle. You get to take 80% of the amount which you make, and you'll be taking the 20%. Now you can see right here it shows $0 for 1K account. Now all you need to do is you just click on buy challenge, and immediately you do that, you see you need to click on sign up. Right here, this is where we actually going to fill in our details. Have to first select the country where you're from, put your email address, and this place immediately put your email address. You just need to click on send code, this right here, and once you do that, the code will be sent to your email, which you just need to go and copy. Then come back to this section to paste it, and this next section is for you to create a password, put your mobile phone number, and for referral, if you're actually using my link, this referral section will be filled automatically. And make sure you click on this box that agree to the terms and conditions, and next and lastly you click on register to proceed to the next part. All right, so this is what the code looks like. They are messaged in my email. This is what it looks like. All I just need to do is to copy it. So copy and go back to the site to paste it. Now I'm going to be pasting my code into this box right here. You can see it, I just pasted my code, and then I need to create a password and also input my mobile phone number. So alright, immediately I clicked on register, it shows registration successful, and now I've been logged in into the site, and I can now proceed to buy this challenge. Now I see immediately I clicked on it, see what it brought details about how to go with the challenge. So all you just need to do is to come down a little bit, scroll down a little bit. You can see the terms and conditions. So scroll down a little bit, and after going through the terms and conditions, just click on confirm and proceed to payment. Now like I said, we're actually not okay. Now you can see we're actually not paying for this, but this says we need to first finish our KYC. And I said earlier we need to first complete our KYC. Without the KYC, you can't get this bonus. So you click on go to KYC. Right here, we need to fill in our details according to how it is on our ID that we are going to be using for verification. So I'll be taking my time to fill in every details. You can see the basic information, fill in every details for this section, and this ID information, fill in the details for the ID information, and upload the photo of the ID. So you can see you upload the front image, upload the back image also. And once you're done with everything, it takes nothing more than 5 minutes before they verify you once you upload your image. So once you're done filling every process for the KYC, you can now proceed to getting the details for the free profile, and you just link it to your MT4 and MT5. Click on save, and to show information saved. Now all we need to do is to wait for a message in our email that we have been verified, and immediately after we've been verified, we can now proceed to this place to click on confirm payment. Now you see I'm actually waiting for their message in the email before I can proceed to confirm payments and claim the bonus. Alright, so this is what the message in the email of being verified looks like. So this is what you will get once you've been verified. This is the message you get. All you just need to do is to click on this link that will take you back to the site. So logging you back to the site, all you just need to do is to scroll to the bottom right here. So you can see buy challenge. You just need to click on it, And having that done, you see details like this. Just go to the bottom, and also you see the terms and conditions. Just take your time to go through it and click on buy challenge. So having that done, see all these details. You can see you also need to scroll to the bottom where you also see another button. You see right here, start prop challenge, prop to that challenge. So you click on that one too. So once you click on that, you can see this the option for the 1k profile have been removed, which means you have been given the account. So all you just need to do is to come back to the main menu where you'll be able to click on account and to be able to get login details for your MT5. Alright, so I'm sure everyone can see the section that says account. So you just click on it and then see this place that says credential. Once you click on it, it brings details of which you'll be taken to your MT5. Then you'll be able to log in. Now you can see my details right here. I just need to copy these details, take it to my MT5, then log in into it. So right here, we'll be going straight to our MT5 without wasting time. So straight to the section where we need to input the name of the server. You can see it right there. And I need to just fill in my details, all my details, which was shown earlier. So after doing that, you click on sign up, on login. So once you click on login, you'll be having something like this in your balance. Now you can see mine just logged in, and I can actually place a trade immediately. And I'll be placing a trade to show you how active the site is. Alright, so I'm sure you can see it right there. I just placed a trade, and you can see if you click on the trade section, you should have it running immediately. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and turn on your notification so that you won't miss out on updates like this anytime I drop them. Have a nice day, guys.